What's up, team? I'm Eric, founder of GuyMaverick.com and the Guy Maverick YouTube channel. What's up, team? I'm Eric, founder of GuyMaverick.com and the Guy Maverick YouTube channel. Here at Guy Maverick, we do product reviews and services, comparisons, offer advice on how to start a website or a YouTube channel, what resources and channels to go through to make that successful for you. Personal blogs are about our entrepreneurial journey, and tutorials. How to do things like lighting for the cheap or a camera setup for the cheap. How do you build your own tripod or your own Steadicam? Things like that are what you can find on GuyMaverick.com and the Guy Maverick YouTube channel. Originally, this was called Style Maverick, and the purpose for that was I wanted to review products and brands that bigger YouTubers tended to overlook. So nobody really talks about Hanes, Fruit of the Loom, Gildan, Apt9 from Target. I wanted to be that resource because when I was doing my research on trying to find a really good fitting t-shirt or chinos or wherever it is, where I didn't have to order online from Everlane or ASOS.com, I couldn't find many visual representational reviews besides just reading on the websites. And so I decided to become that resource. But I realized there's a lot more information I have, a lot more that I can offer besides just fashion blogging and talking about style. So Guy Maverick was born. And I'm always up for new ideas. So if you have any ideas, post them in the comments, let me know. Email me, theguyMaverick@gmail.com. Follow me on Instagram @thatguymaverick. Oh, actually, I'll post it right here @thatguymaverick. I'll post new videos every Sunday and every Wednesday. You'll see a new video, and occasionally on Fridays you'll see a little more randomized videos on Fridays, which might be motivational video, a personal vlog, a video about how to create something or some idea that I've had. Fridays are more just kind of randomized. This is what I wanted to think. This is something I thought would be good for this week. Sundays and Wednesdays are going to be the reviews, the comparisons, the tutorials, and things like that. So keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Guy Maverick. You'll see a lot more videos, a lot more content coming through, and you'll see my own entrepreneurial YouTube journey as well. Right now I'm using a light. I have my white background, shirt, and a Canon SX40 HS camera. As I grow in this community, you will see all that change as well, and you will go through that with me. So if you're down to come along for the ride, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, follow me on Instagram @thatguymaverick, and check the website every so often. We'll have new things every Sunday, every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon. And don't forget, you can do anything you set your mind to.